Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to simplify this arithmetic expression. We have 30 divided by 5, all divided by 30 times 5. Let's see how we are going to do this. Yes. Now, this is a common mistake that people make. Someone can decide to cancel this one, then say the answer is 1. This is wrong. So let's see the best way of doing that. So we can rewrite the expression as 30 divided by 5, all divided by 30 times 5. So 5 will go into 30, 6. So we have 6 divided by 30 times 5. This is 150. So in a simplified form, you can rewrite it as 6 over 150. So 3 will go here, 2, and then 3 will go here, 50. So the answer is 2 over 50. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button for more of this. Bye.